This is $1.50 bet, y'all. Okay. I was going for that major and hoping, because I have won a major before on $1.50, but crazy. Oh, come on, find another one. Oh, find another one. Ah, there we are. Thank you. My friend came by and said that I have broke a lot of hearts that we're going for this major, because we've been trying to sit here. Alright, here comes the rest. Alright, I won the major plus $62. Yay!